stream should be on now. So I'm testing a lot of things today, including streaming itself. I haven't streamed before. I did a bunch of like videos and then uploaded them for the team internally, and I think also one publicly on YouTube. But this is the first time actually going live. So excited about that, and to see how that actually all works. The other new thing, the actual core is I want to check out Cursor.sh, the AI code editor they call themselves. It's built on top of VS Code, which I used before, kind of my default IDE so far. And they put a lot of AI features into it. They have like their own kind of co-pilot. They also have a bunch of other features integrated in it, and I want to try it out. I thought something nice to build because I needed to get started on it anyways is a Chrome extension. I've never built a Chrome extension before, so I'm not 100% sure what I'm getting myself into. But my plan is to build a Chrome extension to scrape some data from a website. In this case, I was looking for something that dynamically loads data while scrolling down. Nike seems to have a website like that. So when I go down here, like the data is being loaded dynamically. So basically, what I want to build is a Chrome extension that basically, when I'm on this website, scrolls down automatically and picks up a bunch of data points from here. And yeah, so let's get started. Let's look at the goals quickly. Yeah, and I mean, like I said, first time streaming. I'm using this tool called Restream.io. Let's see how that works. I think there is some sort of chat also in there. So if someone wants to drop a message, I think I should see it somehow. If not, I'll get back to it later. What you see here is already the IDE on the right side. That's Cursor. Like I said, it's the first time I'm really using it. The only thing I did is I opened up a repository here, and I put my API keys in here for Anthropic and OpenAI. I think you can do a bunch of different other things as well in terms of LLMs to use with it. This now uses GPT 4.0. I think the biggest difference here to just using it directly in the in your normal ChatGPT browser version is the context awareness. So it says that it knows your code base here, so you can reference different files, and you can also run your query. Let me see here with code base. So I think they actually embed the whole code base and then use that. But I'm actually not 100% sure. So I'm using it the first time. Let's figure this out together. I'm also doing, it's the first time I'm putting a Chrome extension together. So let's see how that actually works. Yeah, so I'm just putting in here, I want to create a Chrome extension. Which file and folder structure do I need? Is there an easy way to create this via CLI? And that I'm planning to use PNPM. Okay. Okay, so a bunch of files needed, makes sense. Okay, so let's initialize the project. Interesting. So it seems I could copy it from here, or I could also run it directly from here. Let's try this out. I guess continue. Okay, that doesn't seem to work. Let's just do it. Okay, so that created the package JSON. And let's create this manifest. Background.js. Content.js. Popup.html. I guess that's the thing actually open up when you click on the little logo of your extension. CSS file that is being loaded. Okay. So I'm planning to use, maybe let's just actually see if we can get whatever this is running in our browser for now. So let's see. Let's select this. Okay, it seems like I have to have the icons also in place. Pop-up icons. Just need a random icon set for template icon set for Chrome extension. Okay, let's just do that. Which ones do we need? 16, 48, and 128. Scrub those. Okay, Let's rename those. I don't know if the naming really has to be the same, but okay. Now we should have everything that is needed. Let's try this again. Okay. We do have something loaded here. Pop-up. Okay. All right. So it seems like we have already a Chrome extension that is running. And now let's try to get this to work. Let's describe what we actually wanted to do. This Chrome extension, trying to get you Super Whisper to be running. Okay, it is actually running. We can't say quickly here. And start again. The Chrome extension I am building should have the following functionality. I wanted to be able to be activated on the Nike.com website, and I wanted to scroll down on the current website and scrape data from elements that I can define with CSS selectors. And after the data is being scraped, I want the user to be able to download the data in a CSV file by clicking on a button in the pop-up. I think the start of the scrape should also be enabled by the click on another button in the pop-up. So there should be a start scraping button, then there should be some sort of indication that the scrape is actually ongoing. And when it's done, it should notify the user that the scrape has been finished and that the user can download the CSV file. Okay, let's wait for Super Whisper to do its magic. Let's see if it can paste in here. I think it's acting up a little bit because I'm in full screen here. Let's see, but if the pasting actually works. I think it's still busy. Yeah, it's still processing. Let's see. Okay. Okay, let's just run with this. Let's see. Okay, we have to change our manifest. Okay, scroll and scrape. Okay, here we have the CSS selectors. I'm not sure if these are the right ones. I actually haven't checked the CSS on the website. Okay. Copied the wrong one. I'm not sure if this actually has browsing functionality also built in. Let's see. This would be pretty dope. Browse to the following website. Ah, it does, yeah. Identify the CSS selectors to get the, what do we actually want to get? The shoe's name and price, I think. See if this works. It's already what I actually used before. Let's actually quickly check this. Okay. Interesting. Haven't seen this before. Now pasting. Okay, this one seems to work. Check the product price. This is pretty awesome. Wow. So that's pretty cool. Uh, 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 uh. Is there actually anything else? Just reload. Okay, I'm getting a scraping failed. Let's reload the page. Let's try this again. Okay, it does scroll. Maybe I shouldn't have tried on the all shoes pages. Let's see how many pages there are. It's going to be a big CSV. I guess we're testing that part right away with it. Let's stop this. Let's go on a sub page. This is too crazy. 51 shoes, that's better. Um, let's try it here. Oh wow, it downloads right away. Let's open this up. And it worked. I'm pretty impressed, I have to say. Here, but it also has all the data from the ones before. See if you can fix this. It seems like it's not cleaning out the data from the last run and I run multiple times. We do have this here though. This is pretty much the same code we have. Okay, we do have that. Okay, maybe it was just something that a bug. Because it was probably still running in the background on the other page or something. Let's try it on another page. Let's try it here. We might have to reload the extension errors. It's okay. But it doesn't look nice yet, the extension. It was faster to get it running than I thought, though. So maybe let's do some more stuff here. Maybe let's also add Tailwind. Is there a way to use Tailwind CSS for styling my pop-up? Okay, let's see how this works. Okay, let's see if we can really get this working here. Pop-up Tailwind CSS. Okay, let's see if this really works. Okay. Okay, now we have some Tailwind classes in here. Let's rerun the build process. Okay, let's reload our extension. Seems to work. I mean, it doesn't look nice, but it does use our Tailwind classes now. If we change this to green, probably we have to rebuild the CSS file. Okay, I actually don't have to reload it. It's picking it up right away. Nice. Check if it's still working. Okay. Let's go to the top here. What is Nike Multi-Tech Easy On? Okay. Okay, that is actually the first one in here. And the last one is a Philadelphia something. Yeah. So that seems to be working. Right, this is way more data though. I guess it's the CSS selectors. We're picking up multiple things here. Anyways, we got the Chrome extension working. Now it would be just down to figuring out the right CSS selectors. The scrolling works. I've never built a Chrome extension before. I've never used Cursor.sh. I think this was pretty cool. I mean, we haven't used everything it has to offer now, but even just the functionality of using basically ChatGPT and bringing the code from my IDE to ChatGPT and back into my code base, this has been already way easier than my usual way before. So let's maybe try something else. So just to test some other features. Let's use this edit button. I can just mark something. Please make this look more fresh and modern. Okay, and then it has like this nice diff view. So we accept the changes. I guess we have to rebuild the CSS file. Okay. Still looks the same. Let's reload. Oh, we didn't save. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. Let's try again. Okay. I mean, I'm not sure how great this looks, but it showcases what you can do here. And now we could obviously go in and be more detailed about what we actually want it to look like. Let's see if we can find some inspiration. Best designed Chrome extensions. Not really what I was meaning. Maybe we do have something that is closer to the Loom extension or so. Let's do that. Loom Chrome extensions. Extension. See if you can even drop pictures into this. I would like something that is close to the Loom Chrome extension. Here, a screenshot. Okay, let's see what it's doing here, just for the sake of figuring out. Pop-up.js. It does look nice. Obviously not the features we need. Okay, one thing I think that would be better, instead of downloading it right away, let's give this download an input that we can put the name in there. I want the user to be able to put the name for the scrape into a field, and the downloaded file should have the same name. Also, I want the file to not download automatically, but the user should click a download button when the scrape is finished. So they are able to change the name if they want to. I love how you just throw code in here without even thinking about it. But so far, everything worked. Okay. Should reload the page. Another test. Okay. I'm not sure if this is something specific to Arc. I'm not using it for too long yet. So I guess another thing I'm testing here right now, because I have this renaming feature here. I'm not sure if I would use Chrome or another browser if it would pop up as like this download and show me this download interface. All right. So 45 minutes approaching. Quick review. What did we manage to do? We created a Chrome extension from scratch that is capable of scraping some data points from the Nike website, which dynamically loads content. So it has to scroll to the bottom of the page and do that until it reaches the last items, then scrapes the stuff, then lets us download the scraped data in a CSV. We built out this whole extension within 40 minutes or so, basically. We also added Tailwind to it to make it look a little bit nicer. We just dropped a screenshot from the Loom extension, which we liked, or I liked. And just based on that, it helped us to actually put something together that, I mean, it doesn't look the same, but it does look close to it. Like it does look quite neat, I would say. We can do some inputs here as well, start the process and download the file afterwards. So I think that's pretty much what I wanted to accomplish. I'm pretty impressed, I have to say, by this whole workflow. I think it's pretty cool use case. I think actually a Chrome extension is probably also a good showcase for it because you have so many like different files. And I assume if you just want to do that manually by using like ChatGPT and you copy back and forth things, it might lose context, so it doesn't realize anymore how exactly the other files are looking like and making sure it actually all works together. So I think this is probably a good use case for Cursor actually to use for. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed, so I'll keep using it and use this as a starting point for the Chrome extension I actually have to build for one of my projects. So I love it, yeah. And I hope it's interesting to keep following along as well. Like I shared in the beginning, first time I actually streamed something. So yeah, let's see and let me know if you like this kind of content. So I'm considering to also stream some other stuff, not necessarily only coding stuff, but also some content around like sales, lead gen, recruitment, how to use AI in recruitment, and different kinds of other topics. So yeah, take care. Bye.